This is pass and move special here at Papa Fields Stadium. Pass and move special always proudly brought to you by Benaya Foods. It's Islanders versus Rentals on an Africa Day special. Namhlanje Africa Day anjawazi. Sifuna ama-Africa. Kaze ushap?
Ngishap for hamba nje.
Mina ngishap programs tipo Cuban.
Aya kula lutho man.
Happy Africa Day my brother.
Happy Africa Day.
Ithini prediction yakho namhlanje Africa Day?
Ngokubona kwami bafana nje ngendlela abathi badlala ngakhona iperformance yabo. Namhlanje Sky TV ngawina even 2-0 3-1. Iprediction esikhangeleleyo namhlanje.
Lesho ukuthi 3 ku-Rentals.
Ziyaphuma 3-1 or 2-0.
Ukhumbula ukuthi livela kuluzi bona.
Yayiluze khumbula abafana sibatshela ukuthi bafana lidlale lapha njengama masotsha sempini. Kufelwa empini. So sifuna win. Vele iluzi namhla kula. Yi-win, straight win.
So ukuthi after Bora sikhuluma istory esemnandi.
Siyabe sivele I think siyabe sithengana lotshwala mahara.
I-Africa Day yakho
Africa Day yakho namhla vele utshwala mahara after game.
Alright cousin, asibonana after Bora.
Sharp. Siyabonga bakithi. Sicela support nini ibhoso sibe ground ngobunengi bethu. Halala.
Sharp cousin. Ndaba mfowethu lapha Samancu happy Africa Day.
Happy.
Mina ngisama 2.
Sama-2 happy Africa Day.
Happy Africa Day. Happy Africa Day.
Putha siyam wena la happy Africa Day.
Happy Africa Day bhutam now Innocent Dlovu ugatshele kwabenyathi.
Madoda Islanders versus Rentals. Ithi ibe njani ama predictions eni? Qhaso ngoSamancu.
Thina siwina 3-0.
Mbano hletha khumba ukuthi livela kuluzi phela Samancu.
Wala vele ukuthi thina niyazi ukuthi nani? The reason why silapha. This is the reason.
Sama-2 vela.
Yabona I think iIsland at 99 and we are trying to prove a point ukuthi umnyaka lo ngowethu. As we want to celebrate a century we are next year and we are going to beat these Form 6 boys.
Ngama A level.
No, I think yakwazi ukuthi nani there's a guy what one drunk man is more intelligent than 3 women with PhDs. So abafana baba lama PhD sizabafundisa impilo not win A level.
All right.
Yeah. So we are seasoned. We are Islanders. Boso at 99. We are doing good.
Kachen.
Alami mfana uSamancu into esibele lapha yini ireason makhelana manje bangala mkhuze phakathi kwevika ngathi mfana man ivikile yani buhle bubhuza abalandeli bayani 899 siyaphezulu
akula indlela
asibele emuva
so namhla vele yiwin akula si story Africa Day yiwin
ureason ngahlohla ngani enjibe ngabuye ngani.
I think this is a celebrate Africa Day and we dedicate this to Islanders, to Pirates, and the whole Africa
as a whole.
During the people in front of Mamgavan.
Shaba for it. Masutu.
Ava skibani.
Amna swi sesihlangana futhi njalo.
Sesihlangana nje namhla manje kuyafiwa.
Happy Africa Day Masutu.
Pheka ubone nje.
Ubuhle beAfrika.
Ubuhle beAfrika thina amandebele nje. Yes.
What's your prediction Masutu namhla?
Hayi ngiya predict half time sabe sile 2 second half sabe sifaka amanye ayi2 so it's 4-0. It's 4-0.
Namhla yi4.
It's 4-0.
Uyashuwa Masutu?
It's 4-0.
Putha siyam uvumelana nawo Masutu.
Umasutu right. Antu uyabona vele dala sacina ukuwina antu yakwazi lana. But vele namuhla hayi okova le confidence.
Iwina ngayiphosa.
I3.
3-0.
Sika reason le 1 ka Raush.
Ureason bamthemba wathi uthi yachayela na 2 namhla.
Hayi correct ukhangela. Andenye vele first 15 minutes abesile 1. And then second half sesha 2.
Mana ngizwele odla inkukhu. Odla inkukhu eAfrika.
Yeah.
Mana happy Africa Day.
Always happy as African, proudly Africans.
Ngeke prediction yakho yanamuhla.
Obvious 3-0.
Mbalo sesha.
2 reason 1 manager.
Mana sibone after Bora ukuthi wona ukukhuluma kuyayizakala.
Lindi. Bengafaka upenza wabo lwana lomdala amadolo baso. Balimala.
Putha siyambo shap.
Ngishapu njani wena?
Happy Africa Day, my brother.
Happy Africa Day, Mnumzana.
Namhlanje Highlanders versus Renters. What's your prediction?
My prediction is a draw today, 1-1.
Awuyithembi team yakho ushuthi draw.
Ngiyithemba ngoba zindala zombili zonke ziyabe zibambe ngazombi. Mbona kuyabe kunzima. It's a draw match.
Ubone draw.
Draw.
Hayi ngiyakuzwa Butchers yami. Sharp my brother.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Sharp Butchers yami. Njengombalisi Africa Day.
Namhlanje ilanga lenkonzo.
Ichicken siyawazi izolo sizakhuluma ngakho ngelinye ilanga. Asikhulume ngeRenters Highlanders.
Obviously, I'm here for the big boys. Highlanders supposed to win. In the cricket, Gobulawa is Lama teams are 2 so far. And looking with this season, our big teams are flopping. So we don't want that to happen to Highlanders. If Highlanders win, Italy corner will leak so that we can have more games, more game time. Not to you game 1 per week. Our cars.
Corner kuyaphuwa. Back to isho siqalise ngayo izolo.
Friday.
Friday.
Yeah, it was a good game, fair game all along, but that moment at last time I think the ref panicked and were here to give a penalty which was not a penalty though. So basically the problem with the Zimbabwean officiating, they tend to decide ama games. Sometimes ngathi Scotland ibithengile, but basically mina ngedwa ngithi we have got poor officials in the ground. Ekuyenda ukuthanisha ama images ama teams ekuzogcina ukuthi this team ithenga uref another but uref wona vele. I think that's their standard.
But it says bona phela replay as otherwise.
No, replay shows that was not a penalty because handball qalisela nga, and you cannot judge ukuthi umuntu ubambile wesandla sakhe singa. That was a clear not a penalty. It was not a penalty. Though the game I wanted the game to continue, but nonetheless asaqhubekela ngaphambili.
Alright, hayi nyakuza butho sharp my brother.
Alright, sharp thanks.
Butchers ukhalela ngani? Masezondile. Ngoba coach inxa yakwanzi. La sidlala ezikwakweni ibhora. Selazi ibhora lezikwakweni. Ngoba la sisezikwakweni sasidlala. So nxa uwahlula uloweze midfielder phakathi center. Uzohlula njani? Uzohlula njani? Nxa uncoach ukwazi game. Mina ngoba ngihlakula first half. Ngathi hayi laba sila game tezadliwa. Ya sasahama 0-0. Second half sese 1. Umkhothi edliweyo. So khona zama ucabangela thina ngoba sibhadela imali zethu.
Ubone njani game? Highlanders 0 Renters 1.
Mina igame ngijabule kakhulu wezi njenganamhla bekuyilanga elihle kakhulu
Africa Day. Asikukona workers Africa Day.
Hayi good Africa Day. Ngijabule kakhulu ngoba bekulilanga eliqoqekileyo. Kithi esayidini ethu ngoba sicine siwinile ku boss.
Ama students.
Abantwana besikolo thina ama students.
Now student.
Mina hayi students.
Mara yize Butchers ulisasefoni mara yize ulisasefoni we utaure shora sabasa totaura zwese mkuma kemorona sei
game iranga rechinagidza ini ndinafara kuti timu yangu ya wina hayi nini timu yangu ndinoifarira very naida kuti iwin
but iro game chairo zwe team ndazoona uchi analyze uchiona kuti boss maidya papi pacho chabo kuti zoita kuti Renters itore 3 points
i boss yanga ifunga kuti inoda kuti tinoya tichida kutorwa walkover andika yanga ida kutorwa ya boss very iyo yanga inonyanya kuti jairira saka izita roya tichizowa tidowa kuti jaira but aita se ndo atairo
vakairongera size
atakairongerera size
Butchers yavumelana na yini
inini zvekutaurwa yabvumirana nayo zvitaurwa nemufana because fana wama students namhlaka ayihlala ibhola mdala because yashaya wa students mdala because ama students ayihlala ibhola mdala wethu because ama students ndikakutaurwa coach wacho
hayi bhora yakariripo ndaziona ama students aripo but first half kuna mdara maibhaiza
kanga mtala patatokuraira ipapo pana mdara very ndo patatokuraira pana mdara
hayi andatenda makoma
uona mdara iwo vanofunga tine takashora nokuti tina mdara but ipapo gombero rero ndo rati rakatopenga ndo pane medzese amazona ndo vatango ya waura ndo pane medzese
mutara pepa acreator kune mfano uya akazotadza akaongonorisikira pepa mutara acreator mangani 400 but yaiona
igemu sibili kimi ibimnandi sibili iyalenda yadlala but ileka kumiti sibakhulele kakhulu kumiti
unwayipi kanti
mina ngwerentazi but
renters abasupporter leyo thethe
ayilenda sikhulele kakhulu kumiti and 2 ama ref ethe blawayo lawa ngathi ama ref akho fe aboys
bora both sides
ukuthi sesikhuluma ibhora sibili uref kathi ngekho right
Putas uyavuma into yabo referee
awu referee abakora egaming and ama referee la ngazi ukuthi ahamba njani
okusalayo ukuthi sizibambele inyoni yethu
sisibambele amawabayi siyawoza ngikathe somfu ukuthi ngihambe yowoza amawabayi
shama chita ngezemyami
brother isu
no Swiss keeper
amnanshabo mina
hayi
ubone njani game
hayi abafana sibili kudlala badlala but hey scoreline abafana every week siyabuya sobabukela but ama results hayi asithabanga ama results mele befake more effort
iproblem ingawa kuna
imidfield yethu iya relaxa too much center kakhulu ba relaxa too much hani xa be relaxa too much avele hayi abaweke wona imidfield kakhulu
akuna ama chance aba create
they created ama chances khathesi but first half ade bedlala hayi ngeke sithi ade bedlala kakhulu because first half uthi game nje iqalisa bebedlala sibili but hayi ba waste ama chances amaningi adomele siwine vele game le adomele sibele win vele game le adomele asidliwe because vele nxa si home man sile advantage first ukuthi isupport sabanika vele isupport basebelana into vele result into esiyifuna but hayi siyayivuma iluzi siyaweka next game make sure ukuthi hayi sayithola result right
Putas ubone njani game
mina game ngibonile Nkosi kodwa ke hayi ama players zethu azas disappointa ngendlela esibalanda ngayo azas disappointa thina sifuna win wana sinikeza iluzi kanjani sinikeza iluzi why bengalungisa center leya
yikho bolinkinga kuma
center pocket inkinga but asicala leke silungisele nje just only i-center Let's sicela game buya sithando sami
ngicela ukubatshela iproblem yethu protestla lapha incane nje kuphela abafana bethu banalo italenta kodwa basuka bedlala ama flowers beke kunjani ukuthi bafake ibhora njengama strike ethu lapha first half am disappointed sikhuthe almost more than 7 goals no time chances 7 goals ibhora boxing siyathathela ukhipha nangu la last minute second half yas disappoint udlala ama flowers sidliwe mina ngithi danke Thumbeba ngoba umbebani ukwakhipha enye goal ngabe kale sidliwe 2-0 umuntu obonileyo hani but umbeba nje uyazi ufikele ibhora ekhoneni ukhiphe segiqika le kudala ukhiphe sidliseka 2 kodwa hayi sithi njengamabhosi amahle ispirit silase abafana abaqine badlala ibhora aso game le namhlanje abafana benza ongcono
anyakuzwa Putas yami wena kakhulu osole kakhulu na
mina Putas ngisole phambili ku striker yethu center ze striking yethu ibe relaxile mtala hayi bilele mtala abafana balithola ibhora boxini kodwa alikhanye ukuthi liyanga kwenzakalani mtala ibhora lisuke emuva lidlule center lifike boxing phambi kuthiwa seli defensive hayi mdala ibhora asidlale ngespirit sikhululekile ama flowers ngakuthi imali awuwina la uchaye yani ungachaye flowers kunzima uyasidlisa ngendlela esiphuma la kade sikhona
sawonga Putas
okay hayi lami ngibongile Putas kodwa abafana sicela baqinisa amandla silapha sinezo umphakathi
umthwakazi
sawonga bafethu sister ukhalela
back again is a disadvantage kuyabhora lokho kwenzakale ngukhayinje lokho kuyabhora futhi uphusha ufaka
ama-substitutes. Football in time. We know how to do free kicks. Because I can't keep them on the bench. That's disappointing us. As supporters of Islanders, that's disappointing us. Next time, we schedule to do well. Next time, we schedule to do well and to see that the team is going to play in better game. But can you? We like you. We like you, Kyle. We like you. You are the best coach in the world. You are the best coach in Africa. You are the best coach in Zimbabwe. We like you, Kaindu. I love you, Kaindu. Keep running us up.
Try next time, auntie.
Why can't you change formation? You don't have to fix where it's not broken. Ungafaka umuntu ovela kunjari eqalise.
Mbani?
Ungafaka ufayira umuntu ovela kunjari eqalise. Don't change a winning formation.
Mana sizwe sikhulume kuhle ungajari mana ngikhulume la. Ungaje
change a winning formation my friend. Awufaka umuntu ovela ku injaro nethi eqalise. Umuntu ovela kuyabelethe bonke ibhodo. Wakubona ngapha akuvumi.
Bokumele uqale wani.
And ngabisele the same team omvelo bakhona i-team ikwanile. Why wena ubisele umuntu why use the old when there is new?
Sorry Peters.
Ngiyajabula kakhulu balandeli beHighlander la ukuthukuthela kwenu lesithi iHighlander idliwe kubi kodwa sesiye ucine noKaindu sike saba le inkinga la eHansfield. uKaindu uyakwanisa ukumanage team ibe sharp but ukucina phelele etephelele uKaindu noGiyani etephelele uKaindu uthatha umbeba afake umbeba emuva ngoba umbeba vele nyawazi vele uyalazi Borani angiyali mina sengithi eqiniso umbeba abantu bokuqalisizwa u30 ujersey number 30 lo esishoni ntwana ngikwazi wathi
Mafios
uthiwa Mafios ntwana ngumuntu athe mina iqale ibhora yezo lona umuntu ozodestroya ebulela abantu
so ngezinye indlela ucoach wephambanizile
hayi vele ucoach lona so coach weHighlander yena vele sesimcoche kangayo khona eHighlander yena wakhe so khuluma mina ngasithi ngithi mntama mama mina uGiyani ancengi uKaindu nguye olenkinga enkulu njalo inkinga le singayithatha sifake kithi bafundisi ibhora yena walifunda but come to u30 lona mbonini aningeke wa distribute angikwathi lawo mali
Mafios
some weeks time besile inkinga lo Melika umbona uMelika uvukile
sorry Peters amuyatholakala
ngiyatholakala but okusalayo lingalaleli abantu
mana yizi my sister siswami ukhala ngani siswami
hayi mina ngikhala ngebhoza yabona ibhoza nti yabuthethe imali yesichebe yabo wangena ngawo ku VIP yabona imali esindayo ukuthi hayi mana ngiyabona abafana nje team yedlozi vele enqola indebele but hayi bengenzi njalo ba-relax too much Chomi ba-relax
Peters yamushabu
ngiyabonga msakazi mina ngakutsho ukuthi umdlalo webhola uyinguqu uyagiqika sikhangelele ukuthi sithole kumbe sidle ufana nomuntu ezingela namhlanje siswele sizathola ngelinye ilanga
ngiyabonga Peters sharp Peters
mina Topi ngikhala ngishiya abantwana endlini ngale i$3 le ngakumbe ngithenga isitshele bari mayarese ngishiya abantwana ngizobukela idoti le madoda yaloko buhlungu lo
ukhala ngani kakhulu Peters ngoba ibhora ngama-team ayi-2 adlalayo
yazi mina ngikhala ngani Topi ibhoso thina nje abantu bakobulawayo la kumele ibe kwazi ukuthi njengoba idlalela lapha eBF la kumele is-impressani isichaze thina ekona sizobukela into ezinje so belokhu bedliwa home hayi
mana ngizo uPeters thana ufuna ukukhuluma Peters awufa ushap
ngishap kakhulu ubhuti wami
ukhala ngani
ama-support amanye akhala ngoKaindu mina ngithi uKaindu kala problem ama-play ethu basilahlisa njani umuntu ehluleka ukumisa ibhora ku-Premier uKaindu yakoshani ucoach we-Premier ngacoach umuntu ukumisa ibhora ukuhamba uzithi uKaindu bani ehluleka ukumisa ibhora ubonakele khona bamfuna uqamba amabisa but sibabonile umuntu ehluleka ukumisa ibhora ku-Premier uzusa ukuthi uKaindu le problem ngicela libe serious
abafana bethu angazi mbe bakhempa mba bakhempe but into abayenza ngana bakhempe angazi mbe babelele ngaphi but awubeloma isipora amakhiwa sikenzinjalo uKhande is a good coach everything he did very well players yabona abesethe kahle but individual performance yala yikho komane
siyabonga Butchers mana ngikhulume lo mthwakazi ngiyakuya Butchers
alright
ngabambe mic Butchers yamushabo
mina ngitrend Butchers
Islanders 0 Renters 1
hayi ungantsheli lokho mina Butchers ngoba iBP iqansile kathesi umuntu oku-Premier League ehlule kumisa ibhora kwenzakala njani kuloko thina sidlala esikokweni and siyaqwanisa ukumisa ibhora but umuntu oku-Premier League ehlule kumisa ibhora kwenzakala njani
mbani ehlule kumisa ibhora
baba wami baningi kakhulu ngeke ngiqambe ngoba kuzathiwa 10 yabona
kumele utsho vele ukuthi kumele sizithi 10
hayi baba wami ukuthi Highlanders 0 rand okunye 1
result
hayi
Renters 1
hayi ungathoyi Renters wathi okunye 1 antsho phela
bathile biza
hayi okunye 1 ibhoso ngenkani 0 asiyala njo kube imistake twa i-on goal lanezakileyo yikuyini Butchers wena uyibonile igoya ngone ngoni yani uchestel ukhipha ebengekho anjabona so imistake etholakalayo lana anjo i-communication lack of communication
mana ngizimdala
TV
Butchers yamubona njani wena igame
hayi game abafana namhlanje bazange bedlale kahle abadlalanga kahle abafana namhlanje hayi singatsho njalo abadlalanga kahle kodwa hayi siyabafisela ukuhle besiyaphambili abafana basesebancane abafana bethu sibanikeni ithuba bazohlaka labafana bedlale besiyaphambili namhla uyalile namhlanje libhora linjalo uyalile namhlanje kodwa hayi kuyolunga siyaphambili abafana basese right lapha
sibonge Butchers yami mthala wami mthala wami
hayi
ubone njani igame
hayi igame mina ngikhangela anti abafana mhlawumbe ngokuform but abafana sibaningi chance anti abafana basesebancane silahlele nge4 players key players last year anti so abafana laba ngathi all the time behle perform ka1 khela ama game ngasiqalizile anti lay i-first defeat eBF anti siluze first game sidlala lele mozi first game anti but asibanike chance abafana sibanike chance ba support sihlabele ngobuningi wethu mandebele siba support abafana bethu anti so coach utshintshile ama player utshintshile namhla ilokuzi nama positions watshintsha bonke abafana division iqhazi umfana noma first number 30 mvuze uyiswe lona impact substitute anti
number 1
yes wena ukasa umfaka ufana nali border lamsinda anti yabona umsindo wethu mase usenza ngasihlabela kuyamedusa kokwana ufana lana ujale ungena engena second half and uMelson besimfuna lapha noMelson kazange adlale ngendlela la webhuta ngkhona bonke but otherwise abafana let's give them a chance kude lapha siyakhona next week siya ku Dynamos vese siwine abantu beke lathi imbeleke ngokufela vele eBF asokuqala ukudliwa namhlanje angumangalisa udliwa namhlanje eBF and bona map about akubanga nomsindo kube le peace not ukuliganism not emsindo nokulimazana singali mandebela support any team yethu it's our Highlanders it's our team for the hearts ithona happy Africa Day i-Africa Day akulanda kunamhla sidliwe support any team yethu awe mandebela awe
thank you mthala sisi wami ushap mthala ngiyakhuluma la mthala ushap sisi mina ngishabule njani igame
igame ihambe kahle sibili kodwa sibuhlungu nje abafana baqale bashutela kodwa hayi team sithembile siyazi ukuthi next time siyashuta ngenkani abafana badlale bengalavalo sidliwe siyavuma kodwa okusalayo hayi team yethu
thank you my sister
team yethu
mthala
lathitheba ngufelwa
number
1 sisi wakhe ilibhora linjalo
hayi akonke zonke izakhamizi zaulawayo ngaphi ya uzolo yosizi sakwazi into inkonke yatholakala ya sibe senzeni kube soft singahluphana sadliphana nini umdlalo lo sikhona bese sikhona ngisakhona athena uwini ilela kusasa futhi hayi ayisemsebenzini jawasebenza so sizidlalele futhi
Shabumtala happy birthday
sabura
Shabumtala puja sami zithi ubone njani Kim
hayi ku happy imnandi kodwa hayi abafana uphayize mbijana kodwa hayi ku right bathembisa abafana abathembisa bafuna nje grooming mbijana nje kodwa hayi konke ku right
hatsho phela wona kodwa yena igame wayo ubone nxa uthi analyze ubone njani igame
hayi game fair igame fair ibifair game silafu ukhuluma mama
alright my brother siyabonga
ngiyabonga
alright ladies first bese sister shabo
ya sishap kakhulu
libone njani igame
game ibi right sibibi mnandi but isikhala ngoref
uref wenzeni
awuref ube ngekho fair
na pieces wami
abafana bethu bebhosu bebelimala sterek but uref hayi awuref isikhala ngoref
nawe sister ukhala ngoref
ngikhala ngoref kakhulu sikhala ngoref
but iteam ayizange ihlohle phela ngathi
iteam azangihloko adlanga isihlohla but igame bibi mnandi but uref ubengasekho fair ubesekulana epink yabona so uref ubengekho fair uref nje
alright chabo sister my sister
angikho sharp
indaba ukhala ngani
uhlungu sidliwe njalo ngabafana besikolo I'm hurt I'm very hurt
alright mana puja mana ungamlombe
please ngizakhuluma ngibuhlungu kakhulu abantwana bangakana besenze so isihluko esingaka
akona kubuhlungu ngiyazwisisa
above the team
ungabantu bayike ubambile maye wena manje wena kuweso ugqole seManchester
Agilanhloni man hoye Highlanders hoye FIFA Poso FIFA the point of the team is we have to build again how many years are we going to build let's give it a chance let's give Kaindu the last chance of the dance of the Hosan kakadlali Borelli one bring ulokuzen umkuli lo Mason Mshoran then give free roll to Melika. You can't have a number 10 marking the whole game. Who will pass the ball? And why are you punishing the boys? As Mr. Kaindu, as Mr. Kaindu, we are tired of keep punishing the boys for us. We're losing games stupidly, and you punish the boys. You punished Prinzendorf. Hajo, today you bring to the fray. Then you didn't bring his counterpart Umiknon Mshor. Then how do you guys how you have those boys to play? How do you want those boys to play?
It's very painful.
Do you want that again with Sivale Lulise Ekweru kumbe siyamvalele Harare? Then we discuss from here as a technical advisor.
Mana injurast. Mana. My brother, mana siswam man. My brother, what's up?
Yanguranta baba.
Ibone njani game bro?
The game iqale imnandi ama teams zonke ebalanced and we are attacking more than rentals. Then our coach failed us even kuma substitutions zakhe. Our coach made ama substitutions ozibuza ngawuthi ube vele senza lapha. But abafana bona they played their ball. They played their game of which coach asimbonanga impact ka coach. Our coach is failing us because akala first 11. Akala captain on one. Each and every game is changing each and every player. Asakwazi ukuthi sizawena ku10. But anyhow, that's the game of football. We win, we lose. We lost today. We hope tomorrow will come back.
Thank you, my brother. Shabman.
ngoba ngikhuluma nje inhliziyo emhlungu mina umnandi lebhoso from 2010 yes angithini namhlanje inhliziyo emhlungu yes ngisuka endlini yezwa ngizosaphatha ibhoso namhlanje ngizongenzela amanka
sorry Butters
inhliziyo emhlungu ngibuya every day noma ngabe edle ibhoso idlala ubuhlungu kakhulu ukuthi manje angithole ama results
sorry
every time bonke abanandela anginandaba nokuthi uba nobuyini noba nobuyini kodwa ama results engiyafuna ukuthi siwine noma singawinanga kodwa masibuyile thina yazi masikhona e-stadium yezo
hayi sorry Butters kuyatholakala sorry
no umngane siswami yezo now
mana ngimuze siswake wona uthini
mina ngithi anti ibhoso isibhoso sichila moya ngenkana awuthi ukuthi nxa singafakanga isikole awuthi ukuthi siye singabehluleki but next time sizawakanja
mama yazi into zenzani